play the Shaolin Blind Stick. So, slowly. So the Shaolin Blind Stick perform like this. So you hold your stick this way, and when the left leg ahead, and use your right leg, kick the stick, and hold the stick this way, and then move back, and this up, and back again. Crush down. And then the right hand above, and make a circle. So you can close your eye. This is blind. The blind man can use the stick. From a game, so kick your stick, hold this way, and the right hand, right hand to left, left hand to right, cross in front of your chest, and then this way, and push your right hand ahead, and pull your left hand back, and turn your body 360 degrees, and then this way. Then, so we'll make a loop every time. Very simple. Simple is the stick form. I performed it in my childhood. It's my father, he taught me. So, Shaolin Blind Stick. Okay, I perform again here. The earth there is very slippery. Another side. Side. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.